Hi everyone, Marcus here from MedTech, and if you love tech and if you love discounts, this is the place for you. Today we are going to start a series about the GoPro Max. This one is basically what you can expect of this camera when you put underwater, when you are filming in hero mode, when you are filming in 360. What is the capabilities of the microphone when you are just taking out of the water. Basically that is the main objective that I have with this video, but more videos are coming how I use this camera, so if you want to know a little bit more, stay tuned until the end of the video. So before we put this camera underwater, I wanted to show to you guys the quality of image and sound that you have when you are using it before you put inside the water. And this is the quality of sound and image that you can get from the GoPro Max in 360. And here we are on the bathroom where we are going to put the flash inside the water. And the flash is going, filling up. So I discovered a small issue here. So like you can see, the flash is floating. So I brought some friends. Here is one, and he also floating. Batman, Negan, Superwoman, Harry Potter, maybe this one. No, they all know how to swim, so that is definitely a problem. And the watch, Special Police is in there. We have here a swimming pool with some stuff, and let's try to film this. So let's do it. This is just after I have put the camera inside the water. What is the quality of sound? Is it the same? Is it worse? Let me know. And now let's put in 360 and see what is the results that we are going to get with the GoPro Max. And this is the sound after taking out from the water in 360. Is it better than the other one? Let me know. So now I'm going to bring you to the shower. I normally don't bring anybody here besides my wife, but the main objective here is that you can see the quality of image when you have some water going on top of you, and obviously what is the quality of sound that you are going to get it. And I'm already under the water. What is the sound quality for now and the image? Just with some drops of water. And obviously this is hot water, so it's normal that I start having these issues. You have like this, the water is on top of you, and that is a problem. In this case, because the water is warm, what is happening is basically touching the screen and changing the auto exposure and stuff. How is it now that I just came out? Is it good? Is it bad? And now we are in 360. Obviously I'm going to cut some parts here. The water is far, it's just going a bit of water on the camera. So what was your thoughts about the GoPro Max underwater? And when I'm talking underwater, I'm talking about obviously the image quality and the sound quality. Was you happy with it or not? Besides that, if you really like my thumbnails, I'm building up a course online. If maybe in the time that you are seeing this, the course is already released, you'll have on the description below. If not, just drop me an email with some information of you and saying that you are interested to learn more about that course, because part of it will be for free. So definitely do that, and when the course will be ready, you will have the information that you want.